person. I say, oh my God, I just seen Valiant. No Valiant that. Same time I slow down the car now. And I say, what go on, father? Like me just start talking, you know, me daddy and I say, what, you know, say me want a picture. You know, and the person on the phone, me not hide up from this person. And him say, yeah man, forward and come, forward and come. You understand me? I say, forward and come. And me tell him say, I park and forward. He say, I go up on the roof or something. Same time I dey on the phone with her. Me end up dey on the phone. I said to her, I said, yeah, I go call you back. Because really and truly I genuinely love Valiant. I'm a fan of Valiant. I never say I want fuck Valiant. I never say I want suck Valiant cock. You dey on the phone, me not hide nothing from you. You dey on the phone, you're so insecure. It's like me not have people, public figure with me, like the music and me. The person, damn yard, basically, the person is not stuck up. I can actually like an artist that I listen to every day. What is your problem? Anyways, I say, you know me, I go call you back. The same time, I run go up on the rooftop because apparently they were up on the roof shooting their music video. I go up there and they come to me and we do the video. The video is posted on my other page. And you know, him leave me, go about him music and doing work and something. And that was that. We never had no communication, no form of communication. Me and him never fuck. Me and him never do nothing at all. When me come down from the roof now, I end up come in at my house and I went live. So when I went live now, it's like, I end up did up on the live and I end up did come off for the live because I must have some work for do. Guys, and me alone work for myself. You see, because I have to talk to supplier, I have to do a lot of things. That's why I can't rank so often because sometimes I have to sit down and do my work. And my business take a lot of time and I don't have a worker. I don't have nobody to help me with work like that. Anyways, now, I'm on the live and I come off. This girl, I got a call on my phone. I got ask me, oh, me just come off of the live just so. Like, it feel like say me I walk around in my blood-clad pussy on my bomber-clad forehead. Bright and bomber-clad feisty. How me come off? How me come off? At the live just so. What you mean how me come off at the live just so? Eh? Want to watch me? If I had anything at all to hide, first of all, I would have just locked off the fucking phone. Yes, you don't trust me, and apparently, I don't want to date nobody that trusts me. Me no want you driving on my vehicle, and me no want you on my yard. So me and you cannot meet, and me and you can go on a vacation. Simple as that. Because me no want nobody feel like say me I go set them up. And me no want nobody tell no lie on me. You understand what me I say? If you not trust me, me and you cannot date. Especially if me don't hide nothing from you. Yes. She feel like say me and him gonna fuck. You understand what me I say? Yes, so she can come and watch me and see everything what me I do and them something there. Even one at a time when me that carry my friend got airport and me lost my fucking driver's license, brother. Me lost my driver's license in my house and me there in a store for all of the house for the driver's license. Because me didn't need the driver's license to go up on the road because them the time they just come out with them new laws and I charge a whole heap of money for certain things. So me say, no, I can't go up on the road without having a driver's license. You understand what I say?